In this video, we'll show you how to define and manage discovery scans, which are used to discover Windows and Nix accounts. Privilege Cloud offers two types of discovery scans. A domain scan that will search for Windows and Nix accounts within a specified domain, or a list scan that will search for Windows and Nix accounts on servers listed in an uploaded CSV file. A few key points to keep in mind. Scans leverage the lightweight connector management agent and can be defined based on API or UI. Discovered accounts are recommended to be onboarded using automated rules available via API and UI. The logic and capabilities of scans are updated continuously and automatically. Before running a discovery scan, make sure your connector pools are properly set up in the system. To define a new discovery scan, start by logging into the Privilege Cloud portal. Navigate to the Accounts tab, then under Discovery, New, click Discovery Scans. On the Discovery Scans page, click Add Scan. Next, select and define the type of scan you want to run. For this demonstration, we will select the Windows and Nix in-domain option. Start by giving the scan a name. Then, define the scope by specifying the domain you want to scan in FQDN format. The system maps the domain to the relevant connector pool. A notice appears indicating a match is found. Optionally, enter the name of the organization unit that you want to scan. If you choose not to enter the organization unit, the default setting is the root of the domain. After that, select the account that will be used to run the scan. For Windows, it should be a domain user with local admin permissions on the target systems. Lastly, set the scan to be completed immediately, schedule for later, or create a recurring scan. For this demonstration, we will select Apply immediately. Once you've set everything up, click Save to create the scan definition, and then activate a scan instance. On the Discovery Scans page, click Refresh to update the status. Here, you can also view scan definitions, run scans, and download log files. You should now have a good understanding of how to define and manage discovery scans. Thanks for watching.